How do I pronounce the word
Okay, so
ori, orai, or how is it? Can you please
yeah,
explain?
it's arai. So you would
Orai.
so no like
Alright.
like you're saying
Mhm.
like you're saying like if the doctor asks you if he's checking your
Mhm.
throat and he says say you know when the doctor
Yeah.
yeah exactly. So then you can either say rye like the
Right.
bread, yeah, if you know
Like the catcher in the rye.
exactly, or else like Aishwarya Rai, the Indian, very famous Indian Bollywood actress, Aishwarya Rai. So it's
Mhm.
Arai, Arai,
Alright. Yeah, I see.
okay? And it
Okay.
basically means
Thank
that
you.
when your plan doesn't go the way you want it to, when something
I see.
unexpected happens.